How can you report fraud on your Lloyds Bank credit card? Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm going to let you know how you can report fraud on your Lloyds Bank credit card. So if you happen to notice any fraudulent activity or unauthorized transaction into your account, then what you need to do is you can simply contact the support team in this case, or else you could go ahead and temporarily block or disable all of your credit cards and then balance transfer all that as well. But then this way you could go ahead and do it in an easy way, and this way you could also have a secure account. You could also save your account, so you could go to your Lloyds Bank credit card account and then log in and go ahead and open up the link. Here you could go ahead and tap on the menu bar and go to help and security. You can see at the top you can find this option as fraud and security. Now you could go ahead and press that. Once you've done that, you'll be able to find the list of articles and statement on what you should be doing and what you should not be doing at this particular situation. So you can go and read about this in details, and likewise you could also go ahead and contact them by tapping on the contact us now button. This way you'll be provided with this sort of information, such as sharing your account details like user ID, password, and memorial information. This particular information will not be asked by the bank itself, so you can read about this in details. And if you want to really contact them and let them know about this, you could go ahead and scroll down a bit, find the contact us button. You can go ahead and file a complaint about it. So likewise you could also visit the nearby branch and let them know about it. So this way you could report a fraudulent activity on your Lloyds Bank credit card account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.